Mwalimu munene bwa skuru ya Geturi secondary umanyikite buna Gilbert Nyabuto nigo ahorokirie omogokoye guchiase omujumbe w'ebunge ya Gitutu Chache North omusike Chaveti Mukanya kundi asyo okwagacha ebirasi bitano tato imiye skuru yo egotoka ase ward ya Sensi asanya kabaga gotabuna gwetera so kwagacha ko birasi yo nigo kiraji gokonya gose tambo kirekyo nigo kiraji gokonya gukeania goitinyana kwa aborokigwa ase birasi ebikonya bire gose gentokonya gekwanekigwa ase skuru yo munagutumanya Mulikito Daniel Ontere.
Amasomo hase skuru ya sekondari ya Geturi yegotoka se ward ya Sensi miye bonge ya Gitutu Chache North miye county ya Kisii nigagenderete gokoria buya kigima na borkiwa nigo bagenderete konyora asagie bagosomera niye magaga yo mubunge wense miga omusike Jafeth Mukaya Nyakundi Uchakia magacho yekorwa yibirasi bitana bitatu ubunenchiremo yogokeania goitinyana kwa borokigwa waigo ubunenchiremo yokorobya masomo abo ukwana nigetaseni kyagetembo mugasorero nigeriniria omusike Nyakundi ngambuye muno noteyabuna egetambo kirekiga ngechikobeka chinguru asoko ene kya machibwa maya.
So I think with the completion of the tuition block we will have all of those facilities in place, and the teachers, the students, the non-teaching staff will be comfortable.
Ukwanira boigo mukyabegete asoko ene kebuna ogenderere gosiria chimbwa chimbe gati ya borokigwa gati aho gosiria obutumeki bwa mariogo yogotinde na borokigwa namuno abaisike kwebwaterania asamangana ya malita mapema Watayabuna ekirenga kyae noko ene kebuna eskuru ega yagendere gokoria buya.
I'm very happy with the school disciplinary committee, which is very keen in assisting quite a number of those students. In the past, that is about 10 years ago, we used to have challenges of pregnancies, but now the teenage pregnancies have drastically reduced.
Asense mwende nigerenderia abateneri bechiseme nabamenye bonchokane neseme yiga ngambiye muno asoko gendera osire skuru iga eyo yagenderia gokora buya namona samatuka bwango iga.
I take this opportunity to thank also all of the stakeholders for giving us the support right from the Ministry of Education, the local TS office, and all of the relevant stakeholders like the BOM, the PA, the community for being supportive to the school.
Onsia na somukia boko ene kibuna abarukiwa abagendere kuroberirwa boigo bunencheremo yogo chagwe konya asa matukale bosio. Ngurubaterega toseni kyagatembe kurega se bunge ya Gitutu Chache North. Imiye kaunti ya Kisii letrene nguruko Daniel Ontiri.